Hello guys, at great demand of Khalil, Paolo, many followers of the channel, today we realize the Italian grape ale. See you after the intro. For our Italian grape ale, I will use 1 kilogram of grape, 800 gram of Pilsner malt, 100 gram of Cara red malt. If you cannot find this, you can use the biscuit malt, 100 gram of oatmeal flakes, 100 gram of sugar, plus 18 gram of hops, and 6 liters of water. I don't know if you have noticed there is no yeast, because for this kind of recipe we will use the yeast that you can find directly on the grape. So this is something very important because many followers always have some problem to find the yeast. In this way we will use the yeast that we already have. So now, like you can see, it's night. I will put 4 liters of water on the stove. When the water reaches the temperature of 77 Celsius degree, I will pour on the water on my barley and the oat. I will cover with the lid. I will go asleep. So, good night. See you tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning we will go ahead with the recipe. Good morning. Our first part of wharf is ready. Now I will filter directly in my pot that I will use for hopping our beer. And after I will wash our barley with the other 2 liters of water that I have already put on the stove. When the water reaches 78 Celsius degree, I will put on the barley. I will wish a little bit. I will wait 10 minutes. I will collect all the wharf together. After I put the big pot on the stove again, when the wharf starts boiling, we can add the hop. We should boil with the hop or hopping for 60 minutes. During this time, we can dedicate our time to our grapes, but I'll show you later. Now that our wharf are hopping on the stove, we can smash the grape. I will use this that is transparent so you can see what will happen. After we put the grape inside the fermenter, we add the sugar, and when our wharf is ready and have reached the room temperature, we will put in the fermenter. We will close with the lid and with the airlock. The important thing is that the wort have the room temperature, because if we put in the fermenter when it's still hot, you kill the yeast that is on the grape, so the fermentation cannot start. This is very important. Okay, grape, sugar. Now we take our wort and we drop off the temperature. Okay, add the wort to the grape. Now we shake very well. After we check the initial gravity and we close with the airlock. See you tomorrow morning to check if the fermentation start already, and also I will say you the initial gravity. The initial gravity is 1050. After 24 hours, you can notice the fermentation is running very fast from the airlock and from the foam on the surface. Also you can notice that the beer now is more dark because the grape, they are leaving their color inside the beer. So if you like the beer less dark, you can remove the grape, put in the beer in another fermenter. If you like more dark, you can wait a few days more. I will wait at least another day. After 1 week, 7 days in the fermenter, we can remove the grapes. So we will put our beer now in another fermenter and we will close again with the lid. I didn't do this before because, like you saw already, I was in holiday in Georgetown, and because my grapes was not so dark, so also 1 week with the beer is not a problem. If you use dark grapes, only 1 or 2 days enough. If not, your beer will be dark like the wine. So now we put in the second fermenter using a tube. It's better if you don't splash the beer in the second fermenter, because if you let the beer take a lot of air, you can spoil it. So with the tube will be better. After we close again with the lid and we wait other 5 days in the second fermenter, and after we will put in the bottle. So let's put the beer in the second fermenter. After 7 days in the second fermenter, we can remove the airlock, take a little bit of beer to check the final gravity. In this way we can know the alcohol content, add the sugar in the bottle and put the beer. After we should wait 2 weeks because the beer will ferment again in the bottle. I will put 10 grams of sugar each liter of beer. I collect the yeast. I don't know this kind of yeast because it was the yeast that was living on the grapes. So after that I will drink my Italian grape ale. I will check. If I like it, the taste, I will keep the yeast. If not, we can throw away. You can keep in the fridge for 6-8 months, close with the lid in a jar. With these ingredients we get more or less 4-5 liters of beer. Now I will tell you the alcohol content and see you in 2 weeks to have the testing. The final gravity is 1004. The initial gravity was 1050, so we have to do 1050 less 1004, we get 46. We divide 46 for 7.5 and we get 6.1 plus 0.5 because the beer will ferment in the bottle. The final alcohol content of our beer is 6.6%. Spectacular! This mix between the beer and the wine is perfect. So if you try this recipe, please let me know your opinion. Like you can see, the foam is spectacular, more than the beer. Very white, very fluffy, remaining on the top. So also with this traditional method that I use it, you can have a nice foam. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it and to watch all these videos around us. You can subscribe here in the small art of chocolate that you can find here. This is my small avatar. Bye bye. Nice color too. Very nice.